Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Commercial CCTV systems are becoming increasingly popular as people become more aware of the necessity of a reliable security system. In this video, we will unbox an all-in-one product that offers an indoor monitor and a door station device with all essential accessories included. Introducing the Dahua Analog Villa Kit KTA04. Here's the product box of the Dahua Analog Villa Kit. This model is KTA04. The product features are on one side, while the basic product information is on the other. This kit features a plug-and-play function that easily connects with other devices and previews without delay. Well, that's it for the box. Let's look at the contents inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's start with the door station. On the back, you can see 10 wires and a label with their corresponding functions, such as video, audio, power, and GND. Next to it is the indoor monitor. A box of accessories include the legal information booklet, installation guides, the power adapter and plug, the mounting bracket, a pack of extra cables and screws with the L-shaped hexagonal screwdriver, and the rainproof bracket. Now let's talk about the key features and highlights of the main devices in this kit. We'll start with the door station. This model is DHI-VTO1000J. It has a 1.3 megapixel camera, built-in mic, a mechanical button, built-in speaker, and auto-infrared illuminator. It supports digital wide dynamic range and video intercom functions, including unlock, voice call, and video call. It also obtained an IP66 waterproof protection rating, making it ideal for various outdoor applications. Now, let's take a look at the indoor monitor. This model is DHI-VTH1010J. Like the door station, this device also offers video intercom. It has a 4.3-inch TFT screen, built-in mic, power indicator light, and a touch keypad with 5 icons for unlock, live video, answer call, menu, and end call. Let me introduce the connection between the indoor monitor and the door station. As I mentioned earlier, connection is straightforward, just plug and play. You don't need any configuration for the system. Connect these two devices and your system will work. So how do we connect them? From the cable connection, you can see we need to connect these 4 cables between the indoor monitor and the door station, and then power up the device by connecting the power cable to the indoor monitor. The system will start running while the indoor monitor provides power to the door station. The system capacity supports 3 indoor monitors and 2 door stations maximum. Hello. Okay, bye. Hi, I'm here. Can you unlock the door? Sorry, I didn't hear you. What was that? Oh, unlock the door. Okay, thanks. And there you have it. The Dahua Analog Villa Kit offers a convenient solution for people who want to equip their homes with a reliable and easy to install monitoring system. It includes the indoor monitor and door station and related accessories, providing a complete set of essential monitoring devices all in one box. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.